Welcome dear children. Myself Ramdas from Santogaram National Model School, Latur. Dear children, generally we are facing the problem in word problems. How to convert the word problems into equations? It's very difficult. If you are able to understand the word problem, then only you can convert this into equation, friend. And after that, we can find the solution. Means we can find the variable value. So here I have taken one word problem. It's related to linear equations in one variable of 8th standard. So concept is related to linear equations in one variable. In this I have taken one question here. See carefully. Robert's father is 4 times as old as Robert. Means here Robert's father is means his age will be 4 times that of Robert's age. Means here Robert's father age is depending on his son age. If you are able to tell the age of Robert, then we can say the age of his father. So afterwards what is given? After 5 years, father will be 3 times as old as Robert. So after 5 years, there is a relation between these two ages. So we have to find their present ages. This is the question. So how to understand this question? Listen carefully. Here, which is dependent, which is independent. First of all, we have to identify that. Here 2 terms are there, 2 ages are there. What are those? Father's age and son's age. Here father's, as per this sentence, father's age is depending on his son age. So here independent variable is son age. So in every question which is independent, for that we can take the help of variable. So here independent age is Robert age. So we can take X as Robert age, present age of Robert age as X. Not only in this question, in every word problem. First of all, we have to identify which is dependent, which is independent. Which is independent, for that we can take variable. That's why if you think in this way, then definitely you will be success to convert the word problem into equation. So here I am taking the age of Robert, present age is X years. Then as per the given condition, the Robert's father age will be 4 times. So Robert father age is 4 into X, means 4x years. Now come to the point. Next, what sentence is given? We will discuss in the solution part. See dear students. As we have discussed it, Robert age is X years. Then Robert's father age is 4x years as per the given information. So after 5 years, what will happen? After 5 years, Robert age will be X plus 5. There is no doubt. And his father age also will be increased by 5 years. His father age now 4x years. So after 5 years means 4x plus 5 years. There is no doubt. So relation is given between these two ages after 5 years. What relation is given? After 5 years, father age will be 3 times that of his son age. Means after 5 years, father age is 4x plus 5. This will be equal to 3 times that of his son. His son after 5 years, x plus 5. So as per the given condition, we have to convert that word problem into equation. So this first step, this is very important. 4x plus 5 is equal to 3 times of x plus 5. From here, it's very easy to solve this. So after getting this, after solving this, we will get x value is equal to 10. X value 10 means actually what we have taken x. X means that is the age of his son. Robert age, present Robert age is X years, like that we have taken. So finally we got X value 10. Means the age of Robert is 10 years at present. Then as per the given information, the Robert's father's age is 10 into 4, means that is 40 years. So these two are the present ages of Robert and his son. Robert's age is 10 years and his father's age is 40 years. Like this, if you think, then it's very easy to convert the word problem into equations. So we will discuss some more word problems in the next videos. Thank you, dear children.